I didn't believe that at the time, and I wish I had acted on it a little bit more aggressively. I did buy some oil companies and things like that. I bought XLE. XLE is an oil ETF, and I assume that's going to make me some money on Monday. But truth is, it's not going to be as much as it would have been if I'd done exactly what I was actually thinking. I think sometimes you procrastinate, and I pay the price of procrastination. If the war escalates and then Iran decides to get gangster with the oil supply, that's going to really have a huge impact on the price of oil. If they decide they want to jack up the Strait of Hormuz, which would be kind of like them cutting off their nose to spite their face, it's going to hurt them, but it's also going to hurt us. And it's really a matter of how much pain the Iranian people will allow their government to endure in order to fight the war, right? Like, war is such a terrible loss to the world because everybody suffers, everybody loses, everybody gets hurt. So a lot of times you'll see countries that will go to war and they will do something that they know is going to hurt themselves, but they know it's also going to hurt the enemy, right? And this is why war is just something that's bad for economics. It's bad for society. It's just bad for everybody. But if they decide they want to go and disrupt the Strait of Hormuz, then that's going to be a massive jump in the price of oil, which affects companies like ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM. That's XOM as in xylophone. OM, Chevron, CVX, that ticker symbol CVX. Also, if you have gold, how many of you have gold? Gold is great because gold is a safe haven asset. Gold is something that you buy just in case crazy things like this happen. So what tends to occur whenever this kind of thing happens, whenever there's a war, whatever, the price of gold goes way up. And we've been talking about gold for a minute. I own a ton of gold. I've been buying gold for a while because I kind of felt like geopolitical risk was quite high. So gold is your friend in situations like this. Let's see, what else is here? Let's see, Dr. Boy, should we be American first or black first in this issue? Ask Morpheus. I'm always black first. I'm black first every day of the week. But you live in America, right? And also a lot of our people that are in here are soldiers and veterans. And I think everybody has a right to think how they want to think. I don't understand. I don't really get when people are like, I've seen these videos where these people are pretending to write letters to Iran saying we ain't got nothing to do with it. Well, I can tell you if they drop a nuclear bomb or a dirty bomb or something on the American soil, it's gonna hit everybody. Everybody gonna feel it. It ain't like they're gonna miss the black people, right? So as much as I hate it, we have these leaders that don't represent us, that are doing things that we don't agree with. And even in the Obama administration, there was war. The Trump administration, there was war. The Bush administration, there was war. I never agree with any of it. But anyway, let's keep going here. So gold is, which the ticker symbol is GLD. GLD is the gold ETF. So if you think that the conflict's going to continue, then buying some gold might be helpful. And then, of course, if you're into stock options, there's going to be a lot of market volatility. I don't buy volatility; I sell it. So if you want to sell the volatility and get cash flow, or buy the volatility and try to make a profit, it's up to you to decide how to respond to that. And so if you're not sure how options work, things like that, you can join our options class. It's really, really good. You can go to drboyceprime.com. That's drboyceprime.com. And I'll put the URL on the screen so you guys can join us if you want to. Or you can also text the word options to the number 87948. So text options to 87948, and I'll brief you on some of that stuff directly.